Hello to all. Karnataka has been suffering from some really heavy torrential rains. This has led to destruction of a portion of the Virupaksha Temple. This was very much in the news of late. What exactly is this Virupaksha Temple? Why was it in the news? What are the restoration efforts which are taking place? Let's try and understand in this particular short video. Virupaksha Temple basically was constructed during the period of the Vijayanagara Dynasty. However, this temple traces its origins slightly before the Vijayanagara Empire, particularly during the reign of the Chalukyas, but a major part of construction took place during the reign of Devraya II and his Nayaka, whose name was Lakan Dandesha. This temple is known for its magnificent gopurams. It is also known for its intricate pillars and the designs which have been constructed, which glorify the pillared halls which are there in the temple. So this is a temple which has continuously been in operation and worshipping has been taking place right since the reign of the Vijayanagara dynasty. Recently, what had happened was a portion of this particular temple had suffered destruction. Archaeological Survey of India is in the process of reviving this particular temple. They have been taking numerous steps for its revival, and the difficulty lies in the fact that the temple has grown magnificently. Second thing is there has been indiscriminate construction of shops and complexes around the temple. That has slightly resulted in difficulty in ensuring that the revival of the temple complex takes place. The temple's importance lies in the fact that it is also been able to gain entry in the UNESCO's World Heritage Site list as well. This has been a matter of debate as to how the restoration works of such temples are to be done, because there is one segment which says that it should be revived, the natural glory of these temples should be revived, and everything should be done as it was during the Vijayanagara Empire. There is another part of it which says that the ancient temples should be having a modern sort of touch. It should have a lot of economic development. They should have industrial complexes surrounding them so that tourism can become a real possibility here. Archaeological Survey of India has been taking a lot of steps in this direction. Need of the hour is to make sure that a good balance or harmony is created between traditional development as well as the modern needs of reviving these particular ancient heritage sites. Thank you so much.